Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys Bluetooth setting, and today video title is guys how to pair Bluetooth device with Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to pair Bluetooth earphones, earbud, headphones, speaker. Then how to pair Bluetooth device with Redmi mobile one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your mobile. Friends, in your mobile, click here Bluetooth setting. After on Bluetooth setting, friends, turn on Bluetooth. After on Bluetooth, refresh your Bluetooth device network setting. After refresh, friends, you can select your Bluetooth device, speaker, headphone, earphone, earbuds, and you can pair, you can connect with your Redmi mobile. So friends, I have Bluetooth speaker. Friends, I will click speaker, and friends, you can see pairing option. So friends, you want to pair Bluetooth speaker, you have headphone, earphone. Friends, click here pair option, and when device will pair with your Redmi mobile, and you can use it. So like that friends, we can pair Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth earphone, Bluetooth headphone with Redmi mobile, and we can use it. And friends, you don't want to use, so friends, right click here, and friends, you can see unpair option, you can unpair. After unpair, friends, you cannot use the device again in your Redmi mobile. If you click again, so friends, you can see pairing request again. Friends, you will have to click here pair option, then friends, you can pair the device. Additional setting, friends, if you click, so friends, you can check Redmi mobile Bluetooth block list. Friends, you have blocked any device, so friends, you can unblock from here. So like that friends, we can use Bluetooth setting in Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.